Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Chin Chin Flakes. All you need to do is watch till the end to see how it was made. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos, and you can also share for others to see. First, in my bowl, I'm going to go in with half cup of flour. Then I'll just add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, and I'll go in with half teaspoon of nutmeg, and then 20 grams of butter. I'll combine this together. Once it's combined, I'll be adding 1/4 cup of water, and I'll mix this to form a dough. I'll just knead it a little just to hold the dough together. I'll be cutting the dough into smaller sizes. So this method is just like you making your samosa wrap, but in this method you just added more ingredients to it. So once I'm done with this, I'll do same with the remaining dough. Once I'm done with that, in each of the dough, I'll apply some oil. I'll spread it around the dough and then sprinkle little flour on it. Then I'll place another dough on top of it. And then I'll place it in my cooker. Please, it shouldn't be too high. Your heat should not be too high so it does not get burned. When it's heated a bit, I'm going to flip it. All you need to do is to observe it. Make sure it is well heated before you take it out of the fire. And here you have it. So this dough is a bit different from the samosa dough. This one will likely break because of the butter and sugar we added to it, but that's not an issue. We want a very flat and crispy chin chin flake, so it's not an issue. So you just gently peel it off one after the other. So this is what I have here after peeling off my dough. So I'll cut it to my desired size and shape. For this chin chin, nothing is wasted. No matter the shape or the size you cut yours, all is very useful. So when you just cut it, you can use all of them, not minding the size, not minding the shape. So here you have it. Look at how flat it is. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to proceed to the frying. Here I have my heated oil, but it wasn't too hot. My heat wasn't also too high, so it does not get burnt. You know our dough is very flat. If your heat is high, it might end up getting burnt. At first, if you notice, the dough will go down to your pan, but after some seconds, it will start coming up. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you also find it helpful, please do all to like. If you've not subscribed, this is the best time to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And now our chin-chin flakes is ready to be taken out of the fire. If you notice the chin-chin came down, that is when you know it is set. So I'll take it out of the fire and let it to cool before serving. And that's how you make your chin-chin flakes. Tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And if you have any questions, do what to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share for others to see. Thank you for watching.